All right, my phonics friends, are you ready to learn some new snap words today? Well, we have some big ones. Yeah, these are some of the bigger words that we've added. We're going to really need these words for our next phonics lesson, which should be on Friday. And so I really need you to pay attention and focus as we study these words today. So let's jump right into them. And our first word is one that you might already know. Let's read it together. It's the word going. Okay? Now let's study it. What do you notice? You can pause the video right now and talk about this with your teacher, or you can talk about it with me. Going. Well, the first thing I noticed is that it has the word go in it. I'm going to grab my laser. Yeah, it has the word go. You guys know that word, right? And then I also noticed that it has this ending, this ing ending to it. So go-ing, put it together, we've got going. Excellent. Let's spell it together. Let's do it in a mouse voice. G-O-I-N-G. Excellent. All right. Now, take out your cameras and snap a picture. Write it on your whiteboard. Whoa, don't do it yet. I gotta hide it first. I have my laser still. All right, now it's hidden from you. Go ahead and write it. All right, and we're going to come back and check. We'll spell it together and make sure it's spelled correctly. G-O-I-N-G. So really pay attention to that ing ending. That's going to be really important. All right, now the last step, of course, when we add a new word to our word wall, is to use it in a sentence. I am going to the store. See if you can come up with a sentence as well, and you can share it with your teacher. You guys can always pause the video. All right, let's go to our next word. Jump. Okay? Let's read it together. Jump. Now let's study it. What do you notice? Yeah, it's kind of got this like chunk in it. Like we could use that to make the word pump or lump. Okay, so definitely a word we can break apart and help to read other words. It's got that J sound at the beginning. U is making its short sound. Good observation. It's kind of like those, it almost sounds like sticky letters, doesn't it? It's not quite, it doesn't follow the rule, but that's how it sounds. All right, take out your cameras, grab a quick picture. And, oh, me and that laser. I'm going to hide it. I want you to write it. Okay, I'm going to pull it back out. If you need more time, pause the video. Double check that. And I think we forgot to spell it, so let's just spell it in our regular voice. J-U-M-P, jump. Excellent. All right, let's use it in a sentence. I can jump over the rock. Jump. Okay, here's the next one. Never. This is my 3-year-old's favorite word. Never. So let's go ahead and read it together. Maybe I shouldn't read it with such attitude. Let's read it in a nice voice, not like my 3-year-old would say it. Never. All right, let's study it. I'm going to give you just a moment. Okay, so I'm noticing that it has the word ever inside of it. I'm also noticing the ending of this word. It's that ER ending like you see in December. Okay, or cover. You can see that ER ending. Great. All right, now let's spell it. Let's spell it in a whisper voice. All right, take out your camera. Take a mental picture. This time I remember to remove my laser. All right, go ahead and write it. All right, and check it. Go ahead and pause if that was too quick for you. Remember, you should have N-E-V-E-R. All right, now we're going to use it in a sentence. I have never gone camping. true story. Never on camping. All right, here's our next word. There. Now, be careful with this word. It sounds a lot like our contraction there, but remember that word is they are. Like, they are going to the store. This word is there. Like, put the book over there. It's a place. Okay? So let's read this word together. There. Now let's study it. I'll give you a second to look. Well, we see the word the. Does that look familiar? There. What else do we see? Yeah, we see the serious silent E. But is it following the rule or is this a trickster? Is silent E making this E say its name? There. Nope. So this is definitely a trickster. It's good that we studied that. All right, let's spell it together. This time, let's do it in a cheerleader voice. Give me a T. Give me an H. Give me an E. Give me an R. Give me an E. What's that spell? Very good. All right, let's take a quick snapshot. All right, and I want you to write it. I'm going to give you just a moment to do that. All right, I'm going to pull it back. Let's check it. T-H-E-R-E. All right, now we're going to use in a sentence. Remember, you can pause and do this with your teacher, or you can just continue to do it with me. When will they get there? Well, it's more of a question. When will they get there? When are they going to get where they're going? When will they get there? All right, next word. It's a lot like the last word. So our last word was there. This word is where. Ooh. All right, let's read it together. Where. Now let's study it. This one's interesting. What do you have here? Yeah, that diagram. Where. Well, it's kind of like the word there. Here we see mysterious silent E. Is it making this middle vowel say its name? Say its long sound? Nope, so we are with another trickster. And we have to be really, really careful because in this word, we also see the word here. And I think that gets really tough because we forget that we have to put this W and H together. Where? If you're paying close attention in phonemic awareness, you'll definitely notice that. All right, let's spell it together. Let's use a monster voice. W-H-E. I'm knocking things over back here. R-E. All right, go ahead and take a quick snapshot. I'm going to slide it out of the, whoop, there's the laser. I never learn. Let's slide it out of the way and go ahead and write the word where. All right, I'm going to bring it back. If you're not ready yet, you can pause the video. I'm going to spell it W-H-E-R-E. And now we're going to use it. Where are you going? Oh, that was our last one. I thought we had one more. So those are the new words that we are going to add to our snap word wall. If you're at Avery, your teachers will definitely add it there. And if you're virtual with me, or if you use our virtual snap word wall, I'll add it there and I will highlight it in green so that you know it's a new word. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday with our next font assessment. Have a great day.